How to delete Bybit account permanently. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'll be showing you the ways to delete Bybit account permanently. In order to delete your Bybit account permanently, you just had to follow the steps. First of all, you need to go and log in into your Bybit account. When you're logged in, that's going to take you to the home page, and from the home page, what you have to do is press the profile icon from the top left hand side corner of your screen. On this page, go ahead and press the profile icon from the top right and go to security. As you press on security, then go to account activity from the top, then go to account settings. As you click on it, you'll be able to see deactivate an account. Press on it, and as you press to deactivate your account, then it's going to take you to the next page where you have to go and then read the terms and conditions and deactivate your account for at least 30 days, and your account will be deleted permanently. So by following the steps, you should have successfully deleted your Bybit account permanently. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.